What is the history behind traditional Irish pubs? If you've ever stepped into an Irish pub, you know it's more than just a place to grab a drink. So, what's the history behind these beloved establishments? Let's start with the oldest ones. Irish pubs have been around for about a millennium. The title of the oldest pub in Ireland is held by Sean's Bar in Athlone, County Westmeath, which dates back to around the 10th century. Another old one is the Brazen Head in Dublin, established in 1198. These early pubs were adaptations of English inn-houses, but with a unique Irish twist. They served local craft beers and spirits and were often located near warehouses or in the back rooms of local shops to cater to workers. Irish pubs played a significant role in the country's social and political history. During times of political instability, they were more than just drinking spots. They were clandestine meeting places for revolutionaries. For example, they were crucial during the formation of the Irish Republic Army, IRA, and other movements fighting for independence from English rule. In the 19th century, a temperance movement in Ireland led to a decline in spirit sales. To adapt, pub owners started combining their businesses with grocery, hardware, or other ancillary services. This is why many Irish pubs still have a layout that resembles a grocer's shop, with bar counters and rear shelving taking up much of the space. Irish pubs are known for their casual and friendly atmosphere. Unlike their British counterparts, they are usually named after the current or previous owner or the street they are located on. They traditionally did not serve food, but this changed in the 1970s when dining out became more popular in Irish culture. These pubs are not just about drinking, they are community hubs. They host traditional Irish music sessions where anyone can join in, and they are places where family and friends come together. Many famous Irish writers, such as James Joyce, Samuel Beckett, and Oscar Wilde, found inspiration in these literary bars. Today, Irish pubs are found all over the world, thanks in part to companies like the Irish Pub Company, which designs and installs authentic Irish pubs globally. These pubs maintain their traditional Irish essence with authentic design, food, beverages, and entertainment. So the next time you walk into an Irish pub, remember the rich history and community spirit that makes these places so special. Whether you're there for the music, the food, or just the craic, you're experiencing a piece of Irish culture that's been around for centuries.